Mechanics sometimes use various tactics to overcharge customers. Understanding these common schemes can help protect you from unnecessary expenses and inflated bills. The first major tactic is recommending unnecessary repairs or upselling maintenance services that aren't actually due according to your vehicle's manufacturer's schedule. Parts markup is another major area where you can get ripped off. Some shops charge excessive markups of 400 to 600%, far above the industry standard of 100 to 300%. This is especially common with expensive components like catalytic converters, where used parts might be sold as new at premium prices. Labor time manipulation is another red flag to watch for. This includes charging book time even when repairs take less time, or double billing for overlapping labor when multiple repairs share common steps. Finally, diagnostic fee stacking involves charging multiple diagnostic fees for related issues that should be covered under a single diagnostic session. These tactics can significantly inflate your repair bills. Being aware of these common schemes is the first step in protecting yourself from overcharging. The first step to avoid overpaying is researching market rates before you visit any shop. Use online tools like RepairPal or AAA's Repair Cost Estimator to understand what repairs should actually cost in your area. Always verify your mechanic's credentials. Check for ASE certifications, Better Business Bureau ratings, and proper state licensing. These credentials indicate professional competency and accountability. For any repair over $500, get estimates from at least 2 to 3 different shops. This helps you identify fair pricing and avoid shops that significantly overcharge. Always request detailed written estimates that itemize parts and labor costs separately. Ask the mechanic to explain the problem and why the repair is necessary. This transparency helps you make informed decisions. Don't be afraid to ask about alternatives. Inquire about aftermarket parts instead of expensive OEM parts, and ask if there are different repair approaches that might cost less while still being safe and effective. After the repair is completed, inspect the work and keep all documentation. This includes receipts, warranties, and any photos of the repair. Proper documentation protects you if issues arise later. Remember this important statistic. Seeking second opinions on repairs over $1,000 can result in an average cost reduction of 35%. Taking these protective steps can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars on car repairs.